The surface of Mars had turned into a graveyard of fire and steel. Architect ships burned in the red sky, while human bases lay in ruins beneath them. The arrival of the Harbinger, the colossal flagship of the destroyers, had changed everything. Its shadows stretched 4 miles, blotting out the sun as it orbited the planet. A constant reminder that extinction was near. Inside the underground control hub of Erebus Base, Captain Ryan Cross stood surrounded by chaos. Engineers, scientists, and alien commanders worked side by side. A sight once thought impossible. On the central display hovered the blueprint of humanity's last hope, Project Aegis. Project Aegis was more than a weapon. It was a fusion of human engineering and architect technology, a planetary defense shield capable of channeling energy from Mars' core. If completed, it could protect the planet long enough to push back the destroyers. But there was one problem. It needed to be activated from the surface, directly beneath the Harbinger's orbit. Ryan, if this thing works, it buys us time. If it fails, Arya, then Mars becomes another dead world. The mission was suicide. Yet Ryan volunteered to lead the activation team himself. Arya tried to stop him, but his mind was made up. Ryan, if someone has to stand between humanity and extinction, it might as well be me. As their shuttle roared through the crimson storms, the sky above burned with constant flashes of battle. Architect drones escorted them, weaving through debris, while plasma fire rained from orbit. The ground near the activation site was unrecognizable. Scorched plains, littered with the remains of both alien and human machines. When the team reached the core chamber, the air shimmered with unstable energy. The Aegis device stood tall, a massive crystal structure pulsing with blue and gold light, connected to deep Martian veins beneath the surface. Arya worked quickly to align the architect energy cells, while Ryan guarded the perimeter. Suddenly, the ground trembled. From the red dust emerged the destroyer's ground troops, towering biomechanical monsters with molten armor and voices like thunder. Plasma bolts lit the air as Ryan's team opened fire. One by one, the creatures fell, but more kept coming. Arya shouting, "We need 30 more seconds. Ryan, you've got 10. Make 'em count." A massive explosion threw Ryan back as one of the creatures smashed into the Aegis chamber. The energy crystal cracked, glowing violently. The device was going critical. Arya ran to the controls, screaming over the comms. "Ryan, it's overloading. We can't stabilize it." Ryan struggled to his feet, bleeding but determined. "If it's going to blow, then we make it count." He pulled the power conduit manually, linking his armor's reactor to the Aegis core. "Arya, you'll die." "Ryan, then let's make it worth something." The Aegis core erupted in a blinding surge of blue light, shooting into the sky. A shockwave rippled across the entire planet, knocking destroyer ships off course. The Harbinger itself staggered, its energy field collapsing momentarily. For the first time in the war, the destroyers retreated. When the light faded, the battlefield was silent. Arya searched desperately through the smoke. The Aegis structure still stood, glowing faintly. But Ryan was gone. Only his damaged armor remained near the base of the core. Its visor cracked, the light slowly fading out. In the command center, the architects detected something extraordinary. The Aegis device wasn't just active. It was alive. It had absorbed the energy from Ryan's armor, merging human will with alien technology. Architect entity, he has become part of the Aegis. The shield is conscious now. Mars was safe, for now, but far beyond the solar system, the destroyers regrouped, watching, learning. The war was far from over.